On May 5th, 2025, just after 2 in the morning, Chicago Police Dispatch receives a call from a nursing home near 1400 East 75th Street. One of the employees are calling to report a resident who is threatening other residents with a weapon. What unfolded after is something you will have to see for yourself.
Chicago Emergency John.
Hey, how you doing? May I please get can I get a police? Please.
What's going on now?
One of my residents, I think he's not on his meds, but he's walking around. One of my residents, he has a knife on him. I'm the receptionist. He just came to the front desk.
Okay.
Told me
black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He's black, ma'am.
What color clothes does he have on?
He has on a white T-shirt and like some blue jeans.
And your name?
My name. Yeah, he has a butcher knife on him.
Is he acting aggressively, like he wants to stab someone?
Yes, he just did it to one of. He just was talking kind of crazy to one of my residents.
What's your name again? I'm sorry. Your phone number ends in.
Yes, this
Okay, well, watch for the police.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
I'm ready to read at 238.
3-1.
Ready for radio. Alright, 238 for the fan.
324.
324.
You know, I'm my sergeant. What's the point of the incident?
10-4, 3-1. 02. Sergeant, be notification. That's 330 coming up for that point. 320. Okay. 212, you coming up? Yeah, I step over and guys. I got 212, it was 238. Yes, sir.
This is very close.
322. Anything from 2 PRRD, that's John 242-740, 242-740, event 00594. 301. 301. It's 331, David. Gentlemen, anything? Take again the picture. Okay, can you try and pull him up on the radio? 331, David.
Yo. 5. Department, you couldn't see what was in his right hand.
When officers arrive on scene, they find a suspect, 47-year-old Alfonzo Wright, barricaded in a room.
I'm gonna knock on the door, and then y'all got me.
Yeah, so what is it? Hold on. What is he doing?
So I told you he came to the people with a knife. So when he popped up out his door as we was walking the other elderly person to his room, so we was here as he popped out, but we couldn't see what was in his right hand. But he already came out, he came to them with a knife, so we don't know if he had a knife in his hand. You heard me?
Yeah, so but he's not.
You said what?
There's nobody in there with him, right?
No, just
So he's not. Okay.
no, it's not. This it right here. This it right here.
Okay.
Chicago Police.
Get the fuck away from my door! Y'all ain't nobody's soul, bitch!
Okay.
Sir, you gotta come out of there.
What's going on tonight?
Oh, hell, where y'all at?
What's going on?
Where y'all at? Joe? I ain't opening no door!
Okay, are you okay?
Sir, we gotta get you some help.
Well, go ahead. Step one.
Sir, Mr. Wright,
What?
we need to get you some help. We heard you was off your meds.
I ain't going nowhere. Y'all ain't no soul of mine. Forget about it. So get the fuck out of my building. Hey, bro, bring them guns.
What's going on? You need to go to the hospital or?
Nah, I ain't going to no hospital or shit.
Okay, so what's going on tonight?
Good, I know what's going on.
Okay, so what's going on? You haven't taken your medication?
I ain't these motherfuckers putting their teeth trying to eat my soul up in this building. They ain't got no dick states from Lost State.
Okay, you want to go somewhere else?
No,
So what do you want to do?
get the fuck out this building.
All right, come on, we'll take you somewhere. Where do you want to go? You want to go to your friend's house?
Wright repeats his demands to leave the nursing home, and officers try to use this opportunity to lure him out of the room.
Hey, Mr. Wright, you want to go to your friend's house? You want to go to your family's house?
Mr. Wright, let's take you to the hospital.
I ain't going to no hospital.
Do you got any
My
family?
mother, come get me. I don't got to go to no hospital. My mama finna come get me.
All right, where's your mom at?
I'm finna call my mama right now to come get me. Bye.
Okay, call her so I can talk to her.
I ain't going to no hospital. Fuck y'all. Y'all eat my soul.
Okay,
Stupid.
call your mom so I can
Y'all
talk.
we guarding him up in this bitch. Y'all better back the fuck up off me.
All right, call your mom so we can talk to her. Call your mom so I can talk to her.
I ain't coming out nowhere. You just trying to tase me. You already know me eat soul.
All right, nobody's gonna tase you.
Nah, look how you beat your voice feels. Nigga, do I look stupid? I'm finna call my mama right now.
Okay, call her. Let me talk to her on the phone.
The hell don't call my dad.
Here, what's your mom's number so I can call her?
We're gonna tell her come get you.
I ain't going nowhere. I'm calling my mama.
We're gonna tell your mom to come get you. What's her number?
I ain't going nowhere. Get the fuck away from me. I ain't done shit. These people trying to eat my soul. Ain't nobody got no leaks in this building. They from Lost State. Ain't mind these motherfucking police that they're still trying to eat my soul.
They don't want him in there. They want he gotta go.
What up?
And they got the key to get in.
Hey, call my dad. Hey, call some girls over this door.
Before he open the key, before he get the key to get in. Is that what?
All right, hey, Mr. Wright,
Huh?
come open the door.
I open the door.
All right, we're gonna have to open the door for you then.
Can one of y'all run downstairs and tell them to bring the key up? So they know? We just got here.
Just walking down now when he popped out.
And he ran back in the room.
Yeah, but he already did bring two people with a knife. He had a knife in his
He
hand.
had a pig butcher knife.
And you still have a knife?
He said he's gonna stay if we go in. In his apartment. Come on. Hey, so this guy came out. He threatened like the front staff and one of the other residents with a knife. They said they don't want him in here. We're knocking on his door. He's saying that if we come into his apartment, he's gonna stab the shit out of us. What's that?
Yeah.
Steve
Yes,
and James Blunt. Oh, here.
What's
So you guys.
He threatened the lady with the knife. He also threatened another older guy that lived on his floor. He was like, the receptionist and also the nurses down there, they want him out. And also the management and fast food.
They're gonna open the door.
They said they'll open the door for us.
He says if we open the door, he's gonna stab the shit out of us.
The officers try one more time to get him to open the door.
What's his name? Right.
Hey, Mr. Wright. Hey, Mr. Wright.
I ain't going nowhere, bro. Y'all finna die.
Sergeant Velez, listen, let's have a conversation.
Police, they trying to take me to the hospital to eat my soul. Eat my soul.
health transport for him, but they need him out of here tonight.
Does he have a weapon? They seen him with the weapon?
They seen him with a butcher knife, yes, they did.
Where did he get it?
We don't know. Maybe his apartment.
Alright, well, we're gonna have to come open the door for us.
They said they will. But we tried to. But we tried to come up here first, talk to the police and see if he's gonna come out.
He said we open the door, then he's gonna stab us.
Well, you hear him.
Do you guys, who had a pointing incident?
We did.
What happened with that?
Well, we was walking one of the elderly and approached the door and he came out. But we couldn't see his right hand, so we just told him to get back. That's when we had the point incident. We get back and back started ran right back in the room.
How old is this guy?
I didn't look at his date of birth, but I do got his like his
How old
sheet.
does he look? You saw him?
Like about
Big, small, overweight, tall,
look chunky, but not that big.
John, 4749, 4749, even 01140.
Hey, Mr. Wright,
Hurry up, bro.
I want to have a conversation with you, Mr. Wright. This is Sergeant Velez.
What?
Let's have a conversation, sir.
I ain't got no conversation with nobody.
What's going on?
Ain't nothing going on. I'm watching TV.
Okay, but what happened earlier tonight?
What happened earlier tonight is this dude right here next door to this. I know the street when the streets get real fast and like trying to eat your soul. This dude right here put on some teeth, and everybody in this building put on some teeth. Oh, everything I love is only two people here with dicks, and they was trying to eat our motherfucking souls. They from Las Vegas.
Okay. Well, can you come out and talk to us?
No. Stop. Just leave.
We're not going to leave.
What? Just leave. I'm gonna go to sleep.
We cannot leave.
At this point, the officers are done talking and are getting ready to make a forced entry.
Good key.
Bring your ass back up.
Get down. Get down. Don't make me do it again.
Give me
Get down.
give me some.
Get down. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Let me get EMAS over here. 1448.
Cover, cover. Okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Good, sir? Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, get the knife, get the knife.
Put your hand on it. 320, I'm here.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's why. Do we need EMS over there?
99. EMS for this weapon.
Okay, EMS over. Second EMS.
As investigators piece together the scene, an even more disturbing detail emerged. Before officers ever arrived with their body-worn cameras rolling, Alfonzo Wright had already taken the life of another resident inside the nursing home. Later that same day, police were called back out and recovered the victim's body, confirming that this incident was not only a standoff with a knife, but a homicide followed by a fatal police shooting. Wright's confrontation with officers ended when he was shot multiple times and pronounced dead at the scene. But the discovery of his earlier victim adds a chilling twist to this case. A violent chain of events that began with a 911 call and ended with 2 lives lost inside the walls of that nursing facility. Thanks for watching. For more breakdowns and updates, follow us on TikTok and X.